Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you the secret way to change block colors in Block Blast. Sometimes, in Block Blast, the blocks you get aren't the color you want, which can make the game a little tricky. Luckily, there's a simple trick to change the block colors and get the ones you prefer. Using this method, you can keep getting the same color blocks for a session, making it easier to plan your moves and score higher. First, open the Block Blast game on your mobile device and start playing. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the game options. Here, tap on Replay. This will refresh the game board and give you a new set of blocks. Go back and play again. If the color still isn't the one you want, tap Replay once more. You may need to repeat this a few times, but eventually, you'll get your preferred block color. Once you find the color you like, the game will continue giving you the same color blocks throughout that session. This makes it easier to clear lines, plan strategies, and enjoy the game more. By using this method, you can switch colors whenever you want and make your Block Blast gameplay more fun and effective. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.